Hey everyone, today I've got this 1994 Nissan Atlas truck here. It's got four-wheel drive and power steering, no AC unfortunately. And if you're curious, the bed dimensions are about 10 feet by about 5 feet 3.5 inches. Let's go ahead, take a look around this Atlas. Something that's pretty cool is that all the sideboards in the bed do come down, so you'll have a nice flat bed if you need to. It makes loading things very easy. As you can see, it's pretty clean going around, no major structural rust, just easy to treat surface. I think I said it before, but it's coming to us with about 116,000 kilometers, about 70,000 miles. We do. Tires on it are all fresh. Still got plenty of life, and probably not actually that fresh. Pretty new, 2023. But like I said, still loads of life left in them. Over here on the other side, same story. Up front, you do have these ACE manual locking hubs for when you do get four-wheel drive engaged. Take a look inside here. As you can see, pretty basic interior. Got your manual crank windows, work as they should. Right here you've got an idle adjuster, good for warming it up or starting up when it's cold outside. Seats are in great condition, and behind your driver's seat here you do got your tools for jacking it up. Well, yeah, wrenches right here. I'm gonna cut it all out of the bag here. You do got your lug wrench right here. Get flat, it's off, and your jack is right here with the rod for it right there. Go ahead, get this all put back away. Hopped up inside the cabin here. As I said, you do get four-wheel drive in this one. Here is your selector. Right down here, positions for all 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. AC, well, not AC, climate control unit. You don't get AC in this one, and radio's been taken out, so you can put whatever aftermarket system you'd like in here. Here's your handbrake. Just turn, comes down. Very simple. Like I said, 5-speed manual. Shift's great. Over here you do get a little tray here for some things, and then you do get cup holders right here as well. Very nice. Buttons for your hazards and fog lights. I'll show you those all shortly. Right here is your glove box. Opens up from the top. Decent sized one. Down here is the fuses and such, speaker as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other side now. All right, here on the passenger side, you get a nice little, I believe, aftermarket floor mat. There we go, and a couple other things for the floor as well down here. Again, seats absolutely pristine. Under this seat you do get engine access area, just a couple latches right here and right here, as you see on a lot of Suzuki Carries. And there's your diesel engine. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how to get these sideboards down. Latch right here, pull up and down like so. And then over here, it's a little bit different than something you'd see on a K truck. This pretty normal, but then you do also have this right here Comes down like so, and you get your sideboard to come down. Bed has a nice rubber protector on it. Very heavy, I can't really lift it up. But yeah, and you've got your cabin rack here, so nothing comes flying back at you. I'm gonna go ahead, fold this back up, and then I'll get this Atlas started up, show you all the lights and everything. Back inside this Atlas. Go ahead. Oh geez, sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and start this up. Obviously, like I said, being a diesel, you gotta wait for the glow plugs right there. This one's already pretty warmed up, so we didn't have to wait long. And as you can see, starts right up, no problem. Very, very dependable Nissan. I believe it's a TD27. I'll check that here in a second. But yeah, as you can see, everything starts up great. Turn signals right here, and headlight controls, and wiper controls right here. Headlights are over here. I'm gonna go ahead, get all the lights turned on, and show you all everything does work. Headlights and turn signals, as you can see, all work up here as you'd expect. Now let's go around to the back real quick. Same story back here. Both work as you'd expect it to. Go ahead, go for a little drive around. All right. Handbrake goes down like that, and we are ready to go. Wait for this car to come by, and we'll get going. It's very, very easy to get going. This thing has loads of torque, so probably won't stall it unless you got the handbrake up. But the shifting is all great on it. Drives absolutely phenomenally. I had to put some diesel in it. Drove that absolutely wonderfully. And it's not very slow either. It'll get going up to speed pretty good, and it'll probably do about 65 comfortably. But yeah, overall, just a very, very nice truck to drive. I don't normally like driving big things, but this one, not all that bad. So if you'd like to check out some more info on this 94 Atlas or any of our other 200 plus JDM right-hand drive vehicles that we've got in stock, head to jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. You'll find everything there, all of our vehicles, including JDM motorcycles, if that's your thing. If you're in the Seattle area and would like to come check us out in person, we are located at 16017 Aurora Avenue North in Shoreline, Washington. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all with the next one.